Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Tips for Daily Life.
While pregnancy can be one of the most beautiful phases of a woman's life, it may also be a confusing one, especially for first-time mothers, regarding the do's and don'ts during third trimester of pregnancy. As a result, there are many common mistakes expecting mothers may make in the third trimester, and these may not be safe. Following are 10 of the most common mistakes that mothers should avoid making during the third trimester of pregnancy. 10. Keeping the wrong sleeping position. The belly expands quite a bit and the uterus moves slightly upwards for more space during third trimester of pregnancy. Since the baby is much heavier by the third trimester, sleeping on the back can cause discomfort and restrict the flow of blood to the uterus. The best sleeping position during this time is to sleep on the left side of the body. 9. Eating for two. A lot of people may advise expecting mothers to eat for two, especially in the third trimester of pregnancy when the baby is bigger. However, intake of more calories than required may cause problems, like gestational diabetes. Expecting mothers definitely need to eat more during pregnancy, but not for an entire other person. More accurately, they should eat enough for themselves and the unborn baby. Have a look at how to maintain a healthy diet plan to ensure you and your baby get all the required nutrients. 8. Sleeping less. Some expecting mothers may compromise on their sleep trying to maintain a work and personal life balance. A lot of times, mothers in the third trimester of pregnancy try to get as much work done as possible before the baby comes to free up time. Therefore, they lose much needed sleep time and rest, which is very important. Taking a good sleep during pregnancy will make you feel fresh and energized. 7. Avoiding exercise. Unless the OB/GYN has recommended to not undertake any physical activity, there is no good reason to skip exercises in the third trimester of pregnancy. Pregnancy exercises like walking, jogging, pelvic floor exercise, and others help prepare the body for childbirth and also keep the mother feeling physically fit till childbirth. Follow the exercising tips given by your OB/GYN. 6. Not eating enough. A lot of mothers start to get bothered with the weight gain in the third trimester of pregnancy and reduce their calorie intake. This can be bad as the baby and their body may not get all the nutrition required, causing deficiencies. You can read about foods that will increase your baby's weight during third trimester. 5. Googling everything. Thanks to the availability of answers of virtually everything online, a lot of people, especially pregnant ladies, turn to the internet for health advice. For any health-related questions in the third trimester of pregnancy, it is always advisable to seek and rely on professional medical advice only. 4. Ignoring car safety. Not wearing a seat belt, especially in the third trimester of pregnancy, is not recommended. A lot of mothers are afraid that the pressure of the seat belt may cause harm to the baby. However, when worn properly, car seat belts are absolutely safe. 3. Taking vacations. This is one of the most important pregnancy tips in the third trimester. Traveling during the last trimester puts the mother and the baby at a lot of unnecessary risk. Expecting mothers should travel only if absolutely necessary. You may want to read about precautions to take while traveling when you are pregnant. 2. Wearing the wrong footwear. The last trimester of pregnancy is when the belly is the biggest and sometimes this may cause balance issues. Wearing the wrong type of footwear, like high heels, can cause accidents, which may have unfortunate repercussions on the pregnancy. 1. Not following the doctor's advice. Doing anything against the OB/GYN's advice is a big mistake and applies to anything from exercising to not eating right. Each pregnancy is different and doing something just because all other pregnant women do it is a grave mistake. It is important to make sure to avoid the aforementioned mistakes to ensure safety of the mother and the unborn child during the last weeks of pregnancy. Also, have a look at pregnancy tips on nutrition, exercise and safety to ensure well-being of both you and your baby during your last trimester of pregnancy.
Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to health and medical topics, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.